Good afternoon, everyone. And it's a big opportunity for us, Esperance, for country, Tunis, to be able to play in this tournament. First time this kind of competition is huge, and it's an honor for everyone who can participate in this competition. I try to forget about my program, I try to forget about everything and go in this atmosphere for the group stage of World Cup. It's not easy, but everything is possible. It's a final tournament, every game is important, every game have its history. The players are ready and the players are very motivated to be in this kind of competition. And I think also that it's not important to see the name of the team, to see the name of the players. I think you have to go there, enjoy the game, play the game, and be happy to be in this kind of tournament. And everything is possible.
Coach, maintenant vous connaissez très bien l'Espérance et surtout ses supporters. Les supporters d'Espérance, toutes les compétitions dans lesquelles on participe, ils veulent les gagner. Est-ce que vous pouvez leur promettre ça?
Yes, it's unbelievable. I understand a little bit French, and I know everything what Ria told me. That's why I speak every day with my players. I speak every day with people on the street, with everyone. I try to be very popular because this team is very loved in Tunis, and many people are going to the stadium. They love Esperance. And it's not enough, I know. Not even if you win the World Cup in summer, they will want to win the next trophy and next trophy. And every day it's winning. You know, like today morning I was buying bread and one guy told me, Coach, it's not important tomorrow. Champions League is important. And when I finish my things, I say hello, I say, but it's important tomorrow to win. We have to win tomorrow. And every time it's like that. I mean, I like that. Me, like a coach, like a player, I like to win every game, and the atmosphere is unbelievable.
Déjà, je vais passer une information très importante à nos amis qui sont là, que les supporters d'Espérance sont parmi les clubs que leurs supporters ont pris un bon quota de billets qui ont été achetés. Je pense, coach, que certainement on va donner le meilleur de nous-mêmes pour